Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to dive into how to post on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. Click on profile, then click on the three dots, then go to account center. Scroll down and click on account. Here you can add or remove any account you want to link together. You click on add account. So now let's make a post. Click on next. Next. Now we need to turn this on. Once you turn it on, any post you post from your Instagram account will appear on your Facebook account also. Let's check what I put right now. Click on profile. Then it is not yet done. Click on reload. Here's the post I posted from Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.